Good afternoon. My name is Nick Rader. I'm an account manager in CSM here with inspace. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Google Workspace account to your inspace profile. So as you can see, we're in my demo environment here, and I'm located on floor plan. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down to your settings tab, integrations, and we'll find Google Workspace. So here, it's as simple as clicking connect, and then you'll go down here and go to connect Google Calendar. And then you'll click the profile you want to add. Scroll down to allow. And now your Google profile is in use. Now, you're also going to see a number of options here, which will allow you to activate and deactivate different calendars for different rooms that are on your floor plan. So as you probably saw, I have New York, San Francisco, and Boston. Those are my 3 meeting room spaces. And by connecting those calendars, you'll be able to get an accurate description of what rooms are available during what times, manage meetings, everything right from the inspace profile. And then to disconnect, it's as simple as hitting the disconnect button. If you have any questions or would like to discuss with your account manager or CSM, you can feel free to reach out to them via email or phone. Thanks so much.